Hola estudiantes, ¿qué tal? Vamos a hablar de números. Let's talk about numbers. Okay. Bien, so in this section of chapter 2, we're supposed to learn numbers from 32 to 101 and a little bit beyond, I will say. Okay. Now, before you do that, my suggestion is to go to page 38, okay, 38, and review basic numbers. Once you know basic numbers, the learning process of other numbers should be pretty easy, okay? So my suggestion is make sure that you know basic numbers. I will say from 0 to 20. 20, it's fine. Why? Because then it becomes a pattern, and what you have to do is basically memorize, for example, 20, 30, 40, but you will see that it's pretty similar to what you already know, and the process will be easier. Okay, so review, for example, the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 15, 18, etc., etc., etc. Another suggestion, once you're ready to study this, open Eleteca, select student book audio, that is the tab that is next to the activities. Okay, once you open Eleteca and open the book, while you're listening to the pronunciation, you are seeing how it's written. Okay, so that will be an excellent process, okay, of memorizing. Okay, another thing that you can do is write it down, like a second time. Instead of seeing the chart, just play the audio and then copy the numbers, and then move on to página 61. Again, use Eleteca, open track number 24, okay, and take a look at the chart while listening. Okay, pay attention. Before, we had the numbers written in one word, like for example 18, everything is together. 22, everything is together. But once we hit 30, then we have a division. Okay, so 31, and then in this case we have three words: 30, y, uno, and then the number uno. Okay, the same thing with the other ones. Okay, until we get to 100, and then when we hit 100 is ciento. Pay attention, the 100 becomes ciento once is 101, 102. Okay, so after 100, the word changes to ciento, 101, 102, 103, and then we have two words when we write it down. Okay, bien. So once you're done with that, you're ready to talk about prices. Okay, so then move on and work with cuánto cuesta. ¿Cuánto cuesta una cama? ¿Cuánto cuesta un armario? ¿Cuánto cuesta el libro? ¿Cuánto cuesta la silla? ¿Verdad? To reply to that question, then you say cuesta, and then you say the number. Cuesta $18. Cuesta $15. Cuesta $35. Cuesta $100. Okay. cuesta $76, for example. Okay, so my suggestion is for exercise 216, please write down the question and then the answer and say it out loud while writing it. Okay, that is going to help you to memorize. Okay, bien. So I think you're ready to talk about cuánto cuesta, but also remember that at this point you're able to not only say your name, but also say when is your birthday, because you know numbers. Okay, you know numbers already. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Ah, mi cumpleaños es el 18 de diciembre. And then tengo un perro, tengo 7 perros, tengo una cama, tengo 3 habitaciones. Okay, so you know numbers. Okay, hasta luego, chao.